Once there was a man who was very unhappy. No matter how hard he worked, he remained poor. He had no money, no good food, and a very old house. "I am so unlucky," he cried. "I must find the Creator to ask why I have no luck." So the man started a long journey. After walking for many days, he met a big, thin tiger. The tiger looked very weak. "Where are you going?" the tiger asked. "I am going to find the Creator to ask about my luck," the man said. The tiger said, "Please ask him something for me. Why am I always hungry? Even when I eat, I never feel strong." "I will ask," said the man. Next, the man met a beautiful woman sitting outside a large house. She looked very sad. "Where are you going?" she asked. "I am going to find the Creator to ask about my luck," the man replied. The woman said, "Please ask him for me. I have everything, money and a big house, but I am never happy." "Why?" "I will ask," said the man. Finally, the man met a dry tree on a mountain. The tree had no leaves. "Where are you going?" the tree whispered. "I am going to find the Creator to ask about my luck," the man said. The tree said, "Please ask him, why can I never grow green leaves? Why am I always dry?" "I will ask," the man promised. At last, the man reached the top of the mountain and met the Creator. He asked his questions. The Creator smiled and whispered the answers into his ear. Then the Creator said, "Go now. Your luck is waiting for you on the road." The man was so excited. He ran down the mountain. First he saw the tree. "What did the Creator say?" the tree asked. The man replied, "He said there is a big box of gold buried under your roots. If someone digs it up, you will grow green and strong." "Please," the tree said, "dig up the gold, you can keep it, and I will be healthy." But the man said, "No, I have no time. My luck is waiting for me," and he ran away. Next, he saw the woman. "What did the Creator say?" she asked. The man said, "He said you are lonely. The first man who shares his heart with you will make you happy forever." The woman looked at him and said, "Will you stay with me? We can be happy together." But the man said, "No, I have no time. My luck is waiting for me," and he ran away. Finally, he saw the thin tiger. "What did the Creator say?" the tiger asked. The man smiled. He said, "Your luck is easy. You just need to eat the stupidest man in the world. Then you will be strong again." The tiger looked at the man. He thought about the gold the man left behind. He thought about the beautiful woman the man left behind. The tiger smiled and said, "I think I found my luck." And with one big gulp, the tiger ate the man. The man was so busy looking for luck in the future that he didn't see the gold or the love right in front of him. In life, sometimes we are like that man. We miss the best things because we are in too much of a hurry. I hope you enjoyed this story and found the shadowing practice helpful. Remember, the best way to improve your English is to stay consistent and have a thankful heart for how far you've already come. If you want to improve your speaking and listening every week, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.